I'm here at one of the world's most famous opera houses, the Teatro alla Scala in Milan. Names like Caruso, Pavarotti, Domingo, Carreras, Sutherland, and Callas have all graced the stage of this magnificent 18th century opera and ballet theater. And in fact, here in Milan, opera season starts on December 7th, the feast of St. Ambrose, their patron saint, and anyone who's anyone comes to see and to be seen in this luxurious theater known worldwide, the Teatro alla Scala.